in all these things, it's still us that calling the least generation. How?
It's
Like-
still us that are saying we don't make money, we don't try, we don't hustle.
Do you
Like,
get?
They used to bust my head, but like,
To have basic necessities now, as in, I'm talking food, light, water, and a roof over your head. You need 2 jobs. 2 or some places 3.
3 years.
Like if you're living in Lagos.
And this is not
as
like
in-
basic pay.
And
rate,
this is base level necessities. I mean, how much is rent in Lagos a year? We're looking at from 1.5M to 10M and above, depending on where you are in Lagos. And then you say, okay, you want to live alone. Then you talk about food. Some people rent house, no furniture. Like the thing is.
But do you think there's any truth to what they're saying? Like, I guess definitely we're not lazy, you know, we're not conceited, we air things the way they are. But do you think there's any truth in what they are saying? Like,
Truth how?